Yeah, I needed 2. For sure. That's why I did. That's why I put 2. I ain't playing around. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now we want the clutch fork up against the inside of this, the farthest point away from the bell housing as possible. Or else that clutch will never go in. We're gonna do it live, mate. Live and direct, you know. You got Taruk Maktal. He's hella butthurt. Taruk Maktal. Oh, now I'm gonna not put the thing right back. Alright. Oh, my phone is gonna fall down. Alright. Start all over again. You gotta. Yay. I'm telling you. A lot of heavy breathing and drinking. Alright. Okay. So we want to get the clutch plate up against the flywheel as best we can. Take the clutch alignment tool. Take the clutch alignment tool. It's falling out of my hands. God damn it. Alright. Okay, so there we go. Clutch is in. Once the clutch plate goes on, the clutch disc. The disc is the friction, the skinny friction one. And the bell house, this pressure plate's the clutch plate or pressure plate. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure it's on the right one. This is the time where you make your adjustments now. Make sure you align the notches on the flywheel with the notches on the clutch plate. And you should be alright. You should be alright. Shouldn't rattle too hard on you, you know. You'll know the second you engage the clutch and she starts chattering like the Chattanooga choo-choo. Shoo. You know you done messed up. This is the part I'm telling you about. This is what I'm telling you about. Son of a bitch. What am I doing wrong, Dad? Fat finger Nick, dog. Just stay there. Just stay there. Okay, one more screw. Where's the bucket? Oh, he did it. I think you got it. I think you got it. You got that one for sure, for sure. Whew. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it. Now I gotta rotate it a couple times. Rotate some of that rotation. Make sure this thing's going in. Oh yeah, she's biting, mate. She's going to bite too, you know. All right. So now I gotta come over here, crank it by hand. Watch the clutch blade; it's gonna spin on you. You gotta keep your eyes on the prize, you know. Oh, I'm definitely hitting a compression stroke. Whew! It did not work at all. I couldn't. Usually it turns with relative ease. We got tuckered out on that one. Well, that way, that way. It may sound bad with all that metal on metal, but if you go slow, you'll be alright. The bell housing and the motor all cast. And then the clutch plate is stamped steel. Alright. Oh. What the heck, dude? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yes, man. Turn it again. Should turn it more the first time. That fails. I think I went far enough. This is the one. Here's pliers. Alright. Oh, quit your belly aching. Oh, jeez, come on. There we go. Just squeeze it a little bit, and then I should be able to get a tighten on that. There's a hammer. Tapper-dooski. I should have ran her in. I should have ran her in. Like, doesn't need it now. Everything works better when you just get it in one by one. You know, the simple things. It's the basic principles. One at a time. Alright. I kind of just want to make her feel loved, you know? Don't talk dirty to her or nothing. Just give her a couple taps. And Pilot's in there nice.